Hi, today we are going to learn how to open a new private window in Microsoft Edge browser. So open a Microsoft Edge from taskbar, click on settings and more option and click on new in private window, and also you can use as a shortcut key Ctrl Shift N to open a new in private window in Microsoft Edge browser. Now we can see we opened a new in private window in Microsoft Edge browser. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.